Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have a bilateral wax removal. So patients come through complaining of feeling a fullness in the ear. When checking on the ear canal there, you can see we've got quite a large bit of soft wax at the entrance to the canal there. So we're just going to get a grip on that wax with the standard size ulnar tube. Just gently pulling the wax from deeper in the canal towards the front. Just makes it a bit easier to remove. Just guiding the wax out and around the corner there. That's the first piece. You can see it's starting to come away in larger, drier pieces now. You can start to see the eardrum in the view there behind the suction tube. Just unsticking this wax from the canal wall, from the base of the canal. A little bit of dry skin attached to that piece. Clearing a little bit of the debris from the outer part of the ear canal there. There we are, and there's the eardrum, all looking nice and healthy and shiny. Let's take a look at the other side. Lots of little bits of wax basically on this side, so we're just going to take these away piece by piece. So we're going to start by just unsticking all the wax from the canal entrance. If you don't unstick that, what happens is when you pull the wax down the canal, it tends to stick to that piece at the front and flicks over rather than coming out in a nice clean piece. Just unsticking this from the base of the canal before guiding it out. Try to wiggle this around a corner. Bit more of an awkward shape this one. It's difficult to get a good grip on it and take it out. It's really wedged in there. You can see the back end of it just lifting as we pull the front end there. Yep, doesn't want to come out with a suction, so we're just going to go over the top with the Jobson horn. There you go, just roll that piece of wax down, and out he comes. Start to crumble away there, so we use the suction to pick those pieces up. There we go, you can see the eardrum there. A little bit of debris on the outer part of the ear canal, so we're just going to clear that away. So this amount of wax is only a tiny amount, it's not going to cause any problems, it's more dry skin than anything else. And there we are, so there's the eardrum. So that's what we took away, and there's the Jobson horn there. So not a tremendous amount, maybe about 4 centimeters, just about average for what we get out at the moment. So all looking nice and healthy though. As always guys, if you do like the videos, then if you don't mind liking, sharing, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. We upload twice a week on a Tuesday and a Friday. So if you are enjoying the videos, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification, and you'll get a notification every time we post a new video. As always, take care.